Hello everyone, this is Shraddha here from Creative Edges, and do subscribe my channel for these kind of awesome DIY videos. So today it is a Christmas special. First of all, Merry Christmas to all, and we are going to use tailor-made cards for you, digital prints which I'm having, and it's my DT project. So first project, I'm going to make mixed media layout and I'm using my transparent sheet. Yes, it's a transparent sheet. You can also use the OHP sheet if you have. Now I'm using my stencils and I'm going to create some texture look over here. I'm using my texture paste as well, and I'm just randomly applying it here and there, as you can see in the video. So now you see the look. It's giving a great texture to my project, and I'm also applying little bit over the edges of the circle, and I'm not gonna cover this design because it's gonna give the great look to my edge of my project. And after that, I'm using the tailor-made card for you, the print which I printed on my glossary sheet. You can also download these papers from Etsy shop of tailor-made cards for you. The link is given in the description of this video. After that, I'm also applying the red color all over the texture, as you can see, and I'm also going to use another color, that is golden color, on this texture, especially on the edge, because golden looks great on the red, and plus it's Christmas project and I'm loving the shades. So after that, I'm using my tailor-made cards for you, again the paper pack, and this was the print which I already cut it with my hands, and I'm applying little bit red on the edges of this piece, as you can see in the video, and I'm going to paste it on this side. I already cut this design. I'm going to paste it over here, and after that I'm going to remove the excess of it. And the next thing I'm going to use is the white lace, because it's a Christmas and white color is always gonna be there. It's snowy and it's Christmas, you know. So I'm also using the jute lace to give it a little bit 3D or texture. I'm pasting it with heavy gel medium. It's a mixed media project, and heavy gel medium is really helpful to paste these kind of, you know, embellishments. And so these are the small embellishments. The postcard and the Santa list are from tailor-made cards for you, special delivery Christmas paper pack. You can check out the link in the description below, and do check out the guys these collections because their papers are really gorgeous. I'm just decorating with little bit embellishments and the flowers, and this layout you can use on your scrapbook layout, or else card, Christmas scrapbook, and anywhere, or you can just put it anywhere you want at your home, and it's actually done. Now I'm just using the snow paste here and there to decorate it little more, like to make it little snowy. I'm using snow paste like on the edges as well to make it and give it that look, and it's really looking very nice. You should check out my Instagram page as well to check out its photographs and everything. The link is in description below, so do check out my Instagram page as well. You will find many creations with tailor-made cards for you. And let's move to another creation now. Measurement for this card is available on your screen of this video. So I took the sheet and divided into 3 equal parts. I score it like into 3 equal parts. After that, for the first layer, I just measure it for 1 inches, and rest I cut it out. Same I did for the second layer. I just mark the gap of 2 inches and rest I cut it out. So it's gonna be look like this, the folded card. As you can see, my finger, I cut it that much part only. I didn't cut anything from the middle part of this card. So now it's done. So let's start with the tailor-made card for you, special delivery paper pack. So I'm just pasting this design in the middle, and after that each layer is, you know, I'm pasting the designs of tailor-made card for you, special delivery Christmas. I'm using all these embellishments from tailor-made card for you paper pack only. And after that, I'm using my die cut, which I cut it on the golden mirror paper, and these dies are from Heartfelt Creations. So now this card is ready, so let's move to next one. So next one is our tag which I made, And now let's get into video. So this is the easiest project I made till now. So this is the tag I made with the special delivery on it, and it can be used for gifting purposes on Christmas. I hope you like this, and after decoration, let's move to the next one. So the last one is the squash card, and I took the measurement of like 5 by 5 inches card, and I just folded from all the sides just like that I'm doing right now, and just do like this and it's really done. After that, I'm going to distress the edges with distress ink. You can use anything you like, and after that I'm going to use my paper pack tailor-made card for you, and I'm going to decorate it. I hope you like all the 4 things I made today, and please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again. Thanks for watching.